recommendation from another golf club over the water, Wallasey Golf Club. Rapid had done some work over there, and within the golf environment a lot of people talk to each other, and we've got ex-captains who talk to each other, and the recommendation came from an ex-captain at Wallasey Golf Club. Obviously we did our due diligence with all companies, but we felt Rapid were very professional with their work, and I say the recommendations and the feedback we'd had from other golf clubs was good. We have 5 or 6 main dinners across the club that we'll use the speaker system for, but we've got to make sure that our speeches are correct. We could have anything from 50 people to 100 people that we would have at a dinner, and we could use a couple of rooms and a couple of speakers during an event. So we make sure that the coverage is good across all the rooms, and that's what we need it for, really. I'd recommend Rapid. Their service has been fantastic. They've been very professional throughout. The guys that came in and did the fit-in were always on time. They said what they were going to do, and they delivered. They were very informative. Nothing was too much trouble for them, and they stuck to their schedule. And the end product that we've got has been really good and positive.